Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video, we learned some problems. So we completed up to 11 pages. Now in 12th page, Bashir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. Here the question is, how many kilograms of squid did he buy? Second one, how many kilograms of prawns did he buy? So these two are same as the previous ones. That means you practice the questions which needs to try your own. Next, Women's Meenkar Bank. The meeting of the Meenkar Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fishermen have made their own bank. Each saves 25 rupees every month. Each saves 25 rupees each person. Each saves how much? 25 rupees. How many fishermen are there? 20 fishermen are there every month and puts it in the bank. Here the question is, how much money does the group collect each month? As we know that, how many are there? 25 fishermen. So each saves 20 rupees. That means each saves 20 rupees means one person saves how much? 25 rupees. One person saves 25 rupees. How many women are there? 20 fishermen means 20 persons. That means fishermen. 20 persons saves how much? 20 persons saves how much means 20 25s, isn't it? 20 into 25, which is equal to 20 25s are how much? 500 rupees. 20 25s are 500 rupees. Now, how much money does the group collect in each month? How much money? 500. 500. What is this 500? This is the savings of 1 month. Each month, 20% saves how much? 500 rupees. Here, the second question is, how much money will be collected in 10 years? What is this 500? What is this 500? In 1 month. In 1 month, they saves how much? 500 rupees. Here the question is, how much money will be collected in 10 years? To calculate the total money saved in 10 years, first we need to calculate for 1 year. Therefore, in 1 year means how many months are there in 1 year? 1 year is equal to 12 months. In 12 months, they saves how much amount? So 1 month 500 rupees, 12 months 12 500 rupees, that's all. So 12 into 500 rupees, which is equal to, so you know the multiplication, 12 zeros 0, 12 zeros 0, 12 fives are 60. So in 1 month, so that means in 1 year means 12 months. In 1 year, how much they saved? 6,000 rupees. Now this 6,000 rupees is amount saved in 1 year. Now in 1 year, they saved How much? 6,000 rupees. They saved 6,000 rupees. If the question is, in 10 years, how much money will be collected? Therefore, in 10 years, how much money will be collected? So 1 year 6,000, 10 years 10 6,000, 10 into 6,000 rupees, which is equal to, so if you multiply any number by 10, 100, 1000, etc., you put as many zeros as it has. Here how many zeros are there? 1. So you put 1 0 here. So which is equal to, so this is the easy method of calculations. 6,000 into 10, which is equal to 60,000. So this is the amount collected in 10 years. Amount collected in 10 years is equal to how much? This much. So this is the answer for this one. Now, practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a long boat. So they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. The question is, Gracie took a loan of 4,000 rupees to buy a net. She paid back 345 rupees every month for 1 year. She paid 345 rupees for 1 month for 1 year. So how much money did she pay back to the bank? Means first, what is the loan amount? 4,000 rupees. Loan amount is 4,000 rupees. Just I will explain you. You just do with your own. Now here loan amount is 4,000 rupees and 1 month how much amount she is paying back? 345 rupees. Therefore in 1 year means we have 12 months. In 1 year 12 months are there. So 1 month 345 rupees. In 12 months how much money will be paid to the bank? So 12 325 is 12. 1 year means 12 months. 1 year means 12 months. How much money will be paid in 1 year? 12 345, which is equal to nearly 3,900 rupees. So here the question is, how much money did she pay back to the bank? Means she paid so and so amount, that is nearly 3,900 rupees paid to the bank. That means this is the practice time and this is the practice question which needs to try your own. So next. So here be also you do with your own. Next, earlier women did not go on the boat to fish, but now Jhansi and some other are going on the boats during the day. Things are changing now and their bank helps them. They have also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. Why don't we start a new fish to drying factory? Yes, the women of Meenkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The panchayat has given them some land for that. So why? Because so they will get wet fish. To dry those fish, they need some land. That panchayat has given some land for that. Over the years, they have saved 74,000 rupees. They find out how much they will need for the factory. How much they will need for the factory. Here, the savings amount is 7,500 rupees, 74,000 rupees. They want to find what we call a factory. They will need for the factory. How much money will be required? So Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item. So cost of each item. and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. Means here this is the table. This is the table. So item borewell for fish water, bamboo rack for fish drying, cement tank, tray and knife, bucket, and price of each. So borewell 3000 rupees. How many borewells are needed? Only one. The number of items is one. Then what is its cost? Bamboo track for fish drying. So 2000 rupees. Number of items is 20. So what is the cost? That means you find the cost. So borewell for fish water 3000 rupees. Number of items is 1. Then what is its cost? 1 3000, which is equal to 3000 rupees. Bamboo rack for fish drying 2000 rupees. Number of items are 20. Therefore, so total price is 22,000, isn't it? 20. This is the price of each. This is the price of each one. For one, 2000. For 20 items, that means each item they need 2000 rupees. For 20 items, they need 22,000. That means you multiply here 20 into, that is 2000 into 20. We know the multiplication, 20 zeros are 0, 20 zeros are 0. So like that, 20 zeros are 0, 22s are 40. That means what is the cost? 40,000 rupees. This is 40,000 rupees. So like that, cement tank 1000 rupees of each. How many items? Number of items are 4. Therefore its cost is 1004 are 4000 rupees. 4000 rupees. Like that you find the total cost of. So these items, 20 items cost is how much? 2300s. So which is equal to how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2, 3, 6000, which is equal to 6000 rupees. Like that 2075s are how much? 1500 rupees. 1500 rupees. That means here total cost to set up the factory is equal to how much? We need to add all the items here. 3000 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,500. That means you add all. You know the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0. How much? 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Again we get 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus anything is, we will get the same number. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 3 plus 0. How much? 3 or 0? 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Plus 3. Plus 4. Sorry. Plus 4. 7. 7 plus 6. 13. 13 plus 1. 14. So 4. Carry number 1 is there. Right on the top of thousands place. Now Now 1 plus 4. How much? Add the digits in thousands. 1 plus 4 is equal to how much? 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. What is the total cost to set up the factory? So put commas according to our Indian system of numeration. 1s, 10s, 100s, comma, 1000, 10,000. Here this comma separates from 1's period to thousands period. Now which is equal to 54,500 rupees. Now when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kgs of fresh fish. How much dried fish? How much dried fish? So dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. What is the weight? 6,000 is the fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in a month? So what is the weight of the fresh fish? 6,000. What is the weight of fresh fish? 6,000 kgs, isn't it? 6,000 kgs. How much dried fish will they get in a month means how much they will get? 1/3 of 6,000. That means 1/3. 1/3 of 1/3 into 6,000. You divide this 6,000 by 3. We will get how much? 2,000. What is this 2,000 kgs? This is the dried fish they get in a month. Okay, students, let us stop here. We will continue in the next class.